Welcome to the TEKS Guide, where the Texas Essential Knowledge and Skills are explained. Use this tool to study each student expectation in detail, learn what a student should know and be able to do, and access resources to support students in reaching mastery of the standard. This tour will provide you with an overview of the components currently available in the new TEKS Guide. Let's get started on the search page. You will need to select a subject. Currently, Reading Language Arts is available for both English and Spanish. Select the grade level that you would like to view. We will select 3rd grade. And then you can select a strand. You can now select any student expectation to learn about that SE. Once on the SE page, you will be able to view a short TEKS Talk video that will explain the strand the SE belongs to. You will also see the knowledge and skills statement and the student expectation. When you hover your cursor over the underlined text, you will see the explanation of the term or phrase. You will see 3 or 4 tabs for each student expectation. We will briefly walk through each tab. On the Overview tab, in addition to the student expectation, you will see one example of how to measure student proficiency of the standard. Examples will either be released STAR items or formative assessment activities. Note that you can click on the circles with arrows to collapse or expand content. For STAR items, you can click on the title to view the related passage. You can click on Show Answer to view the correct answer and an explanation for why it is correct, as well as explanations for why the other answer choices are incorrect. When you click on Show Further Explanation, you will see information about how the item assesses the standard. Glossary support provides the explanations that appear with the SE and may include additional glossary terms for those who are less familiar with the standards. Supporting information will show the related SE from the 2009 version of the standards, if there is one. Research that supports instruction in this SE is also provided. The next tab is Alignment. Information in the Alignment tab helps teachers make connections within and among the student expectations. You can access each in the drop-down menu in the top right-hand portion of the page. First, the vertical alignment shows related knowledge or skills in other grade levels. You will see related SEs in the grade levels above and below the SE you are studying. You can click on Previous Grade to see SEs down to kindergarten, and Next Grade will show you SEs through high school. You can click on an SE for a related grade level to view the page for that standard in a new window. This takes you to the SE for 2nd grade. You can then go back to the original SE. The focal points are intended to show the multiple connections among student expectations within the grade level. The SEs can be viewed in 3 additional categories: foundational skills, oral and written comprehension, and oral and written expression. An SE might include 1, 2, or 3 categories. On a focal point page, you can see the SE you are studying in bold, along with the other SEs in the related category. You can click on any of the SEs to go to their specific pages. Breakouts allow you to visualize each component of a student expectation. You can click on the plus symbol to view each distinct part of the SE. This SE is made up of 4 component parts. The Resources tab provides access to resources to support instruction in the SE. There are 3 to 4 resources subcategories. SE-specific resources are the most directly related to the student expectation at this grade level. SE-related resources are also related to the SE, but may apply to multiple grades or the grade level above or below. The Dyslexia Resources category includes resources to support students with dyslexia. General resources provide information that is more broadly related to the content of the SE. Finally, related instructional materials show the instructional materials adopted by the State Board of Education for the grade level and identify the percent of essential knowledge and skills addressed, as well as the percent of English language proficiency standards addressed in each set of materials. At any time, you can go back to the search page to begin exploring a different SE. Thank you for taking the TEKS Guide tour. You are now ready to explore the TEKS Guide on your own.